Hi guys! This is our first day of online learning. Hopefully we do a great job. We are glad that you're here with us, and we are going to do a little video each day. It will be myself and Miss Wise. If you'll watch the video first and then do the lessons afterwards. There's one lesson you must do, and then in the next section, there's two lessons you can choose from. One is a 4th grade review, and then the second one is a 5th grade challenge. If you do good on these, you show your work, you get most of them right, then we're going to put you into a drawing on Friday for a prize, and we will mail it to you. So I hope you do a good job with that. All right, I'm going to start with my friend Snorter. Hello, my name is Snorter. And he's going to tell you a joke every once in a while just to keep things lively. So the first joke is, I just saw my math teacher with a piece of graph paper. Oh, yeah? Why did your teacher have a piece of graph paper? I think he was plotting something. Okay, Snorter, that wasn't very funny. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review times 10 and a tenth of. And we're getting used to this system, so be with me because I may not be able to figure everything out. All right. So what we're going to do is times 10 and a tenth of. And remember, the best way to do times 10 and a tenth of is to put it in a place value house. I know you guys don't like to do that, but oh my God, that's what you need to do. You got to put it in a place value house. If you will do that, it will work out so much better for you to put it in a place value house. Please. All right, let me see if I can figure out how to write here. I don't think I can. So I'm just going to do it on paper because that will be even better. Okay, so you need your place value house. Like on this first one, we're doing to the thousands. So I'm going to put hundreds, tens, ones, and my hundreds house, and hundreds, tens, ones. And I'm going to get this so you can see it. So here is my place value house. So I'm going to write my number in the place value house. And let's go to the first one so you can see it. My number is 4,000. So I'm going to write that in the place value house. The thing y'all don't like to use, but come on, you can do it. 4,000. Okay? Now I'm going to move this here so we can see exactly what it says. It says, what number is 10 times the value of 4,000? So remember, if we're doing 10 times, our number is getting bigger. If we're doing a tenth of, the number is getting smaller. So this time we're going to go 10 times, and we're going to make it bigger. So I want you to think for a minute, would I move that number to the left or to the right? Yes, we're going to move it to the left. So I'm going to shift it one place value to the left. So then my number is going to become 40,000 because I made it 10 times bigger. What if I were to take 4,000 and make it a tenth? What would happen if I were to take 4,000 and make it a tenth of that? Would it get bigger or would it get smaller? Would I shift it to the left or would I shift it to the right? Think about it. Yeah, this time I'm going to shift it the other way. I'm going to make it smaller. So instead of it being in the thousands, it's going to shift over one place to the hundreds, and it's going to make 400. Remember, I told you that when we did a tenth, oh, my drawing is very bad today, but you get the idea. Ooh. Lordy. This is very messy. I know I can draw better than this, but oh well. It's a tenth of, and it's like we chop one of the place values off. So you can see my original number has 4 digits in it. And then when I 10thed it, it only had 3 digits in it because I got rid of one of those place values. It's called shifting place value. When I made it 10 times bigger, I added a place value. So instead of 4 digits, it has 5. Now you should know this. This is all review, and I have faith that you can do it, okay? All right. So before we go to the next one, I'll give you another corny joke from Snorter. Yeah, she finally let me back out of the box. Yeah. All right, here's my next joke. Why was the math book depressed? I didn't know math books got depressed. But okay, Snorter, I'll go along with it. Why was the math book depressed? Because it had so many problems. That's pretty funny. Yeah. Problems. Snorter. Those are horrible jokes. I hope y'all are enjoying them because I'm not really enjoying them. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, my friends. This is 6,500 is 1/10 of which number? What should we start with? Yeah, like the thing y'all hate, the place value house. Oh my God, my teacher's so mean. She makes me do the place value house. Yeah, but it's all right. Okay, so put your place value house on your paper. Once again, we only need to make this one to the thousands. No need to make it to the billions like a big 4th grade number because this is a little bitty 3rd grade number. Okay, I'm going to write that number in my house. What does that number say? Yes, 6,500. It says 6,500 is, remember, if you're writing an equation, that would be your equal sign, is 1/10. Let's see if I can draw better this time, 10th. So a little picture should pop in your head when you hear 1/10. It's a fraction. It's a piece of that number, okay? So you've got to cut a place value off or shift the place value. So ask yourself, are you going to shift it to the left or are you going to shift it to the right? Think about it. Do 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 do. All right, we're going to the 10th. So we're going to shift it to the right. So I'm going to take, trying to get you on camera here. I'm going to take and I'm going to chop one of those place values off. So my number originally had 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, and now it only has 3 because I made it a 10th and I made it one place value smaller. Okay, so let's look at our answer choices. A, B, C, D. All right, Miss Wise's class, I'm not sure if you know this, but I know my kids do. We are like always looking for the dumb answers and getting rid of them first because we're not dum-dums, so we're going to get rid of them. So I want you to look and I want you to figure out a dumb answer and mark it out. Ooh, I see 2 dumb answers. What are the 2 dumb answers? Yeah, they're A and D. Why are those dumb? Yes, because they're getting bigger. Well, one of them's actually the same. So you should have looked at D and said, that's stupid. 4th grade is not going to ask me just to leave the number the same. That's dumb. Okay. A. What's wrong with A? Yeah, it gets 10 times bigger, not a 10th up. They put that answer there to screw you up because they knew that you might pick it if you didn't understand a 10th meant to go smaller. So now I'm 50-50 because these numbers are smaller, so I know they're a possibility. I have B or C. What do you think? Yes, definitely B. We've already done it. Your answer's right there. Oh my God, there it is. What happened to C? What did they do on C to get 65? We got 650. Yeah, they made it 100th of what it was. So they shifted it 2 place values and it became 65. That's not what we were looking for. We were looking for a 10th. So your answer should have been B. All right, good deal. All right, friends. So in your work today, let's see. I think you can see what I'm doing. Let me see if I can get in here and show you where you need to be. That's not where you need to be. Okay. Excuse me, guys. If you will go to classwork, that's the easiest way to see what you need to do today. So here is your Monday must do. On it, you will have a whack-a-mole. If you will do this whack-a-mole I'm out of a drink. If you will do this whack-a-mole in Crowd, guys, then you can play a little game with it. If it'll load. My computer's kind of slow today. Oh, there it is. Hello. Let's see. Uh-oh, Snorter may come back if it doesn't hurry. Hurry, come back. I don't want Snorter to come. Go away, Snorter. Oh, here he comes. Oh, God, here he comes. Yeah, I am here. I'm the British pig and I'm here. Why is the obtuse angle depressed? We got a lot of depressing stuff going on today, Snorter. Is that what all your jokes are? Yeah, okay. So, it is depressed because it is never right. Oh, Snorter. I think you need to go bye-bye. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Hey, hey, hey. Goodbye. Thank God he's gone. Okay, guys. So once you get in here, my little moles, just click. It tells you the rules. We were going to play this in class, but I'm sorry. We're not going to get to. So play with your mother or your dad. I'm sure you can beat them with no problem. So it says, what is 3 times 10? So you're going to decide. You're going to click the correct mole. And then you take your score and do something with it. So if your score was 30, then it becomes 3. And you won't know it's right until you get to the very end and you see what your total score is, okay? At the very end, there are 10 questions. These are the 10 questions. These are the 10 questions that are going to go on your Google form. And this is what you will be graded on, okay? So please make sure you work. Please use like a place value house and don't just like write some dumb answers down. Put some work into it. This is your review. You need to know it. So you will be ready for 5th grade. So please think about it. Okay, after you get that done, then you have your choices, okay? So you can pick one. There are 2 things here. There's one, the place value is right. This is simply a 4th grade review. You will put your numbers, your answers down in the speaker notes. Your teachers would appreciate it. And this is something that you can do to get put into the drawing on Friday. And so you must show work. Majority of your answers must be right in order to be put in the drawing. And we'll do the drawing live on Friday. I will give y'all a time and y'all can come and we can meet in a Google Hangout. We'll figure out how to do that. And then we'll draw and we'll mail it, okay? So you can do this thing. Remember your answers go down here in the speaker notes. Or you may do, if you think, not for it's easy for me, I need a challenge. Guess what? You can do the 5th grade work. And like this one's finding common denominator, okay? And it's going to have a video up above it. I froze. It's going to have a video up above it about how to find common denominators just in case you forgot. But I know we've talked about it, so I know you should know how to do it. So on the finding the common denominators, I'm going to have to change it. That's not the right one. They're in a Google slide. I'll get it right in a little bit. But anyway, you look at that, like you would look at this and you would say 2/5, 1/6, and you would list it out till you come up with a common one on the bottom, okay? And then you would put your answer in the speaker notes. And this is the wrong one, but I'll put the right one up. And then you're good. You can do Dreambox for 30 minutes if you want to. Look on your lesson plan that we're sending out. It has all the math and the reading and the science and the social studies all in one nice little weekly calendar. So you can look on there and see what to do and what steps to do them in. Okay? Well, I think I've kept you long enough. So I'm done for today. If you have any questions, email us. We will try to get back with you as soon as we can, as long as we're not busy doing some other thing for school. We'll try to get back to you, and we're going to be trying to communicate with y'all and talk with y'all. And we miss you guys, and we hope you work hard for us. We're working hard for you. And tomorrow, lucky y'all, you'll have Miss Wise in the video. Yay, Miss Wise. That means I don't have to do it. So anyways, I hope you have a good afternoon, good morning, whatever time of day it is for you. Right now, for me, it's like 9:50 at night. I gotta go to bed. So I will see you guys later. Adios. Arrivederci. Sayonara. Let me figure out how to turn this thing off.